Hi, my name is Marcela. The video is about technology. What positive and negative aspects do you consider that you communicate as in the use of technology today? The positive and negative aspects of technology in the world are clearly appreciated in today's society. For example, technology provides easy access to different forms of communication, but at the same time, it can generate a violation of privacy as a result of its use. Negative. Environmental pollution, dependence, and disorders, violation of personal security and society, you decline weakening of some abilities. Thank you.